Well, for those who are serious about buying a home, with low interest rates and less competition, now could be a good time. But one local realtor says there's still a lot of uncertainty out there.
The buyer pool isn't the same as it's been over the last few months and last few years.
Noah Grassi is a realtor with Compass.
On the buyer side, you have more leverage in this market. A seller's, more excited to see your offer. They're probably a little more negotiable and willing to deal.
Realtors have had to get creative with showing homes, using masks and gloves. Some have moved showings completely online. Even though buyers may be able to negotiate a lower price, there are still many factors to consider as the stay-at-home order continues.
You're taking on a lot more uncertainty right now as a buyer. We're kind of in a holding pattern to see how long this health crisis lasts.
According to the California Association of Realtors, March's sales total was down 11.5% compared to February and 6.1% from a year ago. The month-to-month drop was the first double-digit loss in more than 9 years. Grassi says some sellers have pulled their properties off the market altogether, hoping to avoid slashing the price.
There's some sellers that don't want to come on the market right now and have to potentially sell their property at a coronavirus discount. So they're waiting for this health crisis to be passed so they don't have to have that factor into the negotiations.
What advice would you give to somebody looking to buy a home?
First and foremost, you've got to have a longer time frame. If you're purchasing just for the next few years, this is probably not the time to be doing that. But you have to be certain with your income stream, your employment, and then a backup plan if any of that gets disrupted in this health crisis. You almost need to sit down with an economist and a medical expert in order to write an offer in today's market, because there's so many unknowns that are not the normal questions and normal things we deal with.
Kelly Hessedal, News 8.